I will show you now the way the zigzag is stitching. Okay. Done. Like this. It's like that. Zigzag first, and then beside the zigzag I'll do the straight stitch format, so it will look like the edging of the high-speed built-in edging. So I will change my number to straight. There you go. So this foot press for zigzag, it can stitch as well in straight, double purpose. But sometimes that one foot press for zigzag, it's not it's not tight on stitching the straight. Sometimes only. So after that, after the zigzag and the straight, I have to clean up or trim the excess, but not cutting the zigzag. Okay, the zigzag stitch, it will be broken, the lock on it. The purpose is to lock the extra fabric like that, right? I'm doing this because for those newcomer did not see my old video, all that video, so this time it will appear on my recent video. So it looks like that. So if you I will turn it like that. This is the front view of the blouse, right? It's durable. So the next video I will show you the drawing of the plackets.